Laara Richardson. I'm one of the residence life managers here at Dalhousie University and a part of the Res Life team. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make some delicious toppings to go on your popcorn. You should have received, or will soon to receive, little bags in front of your doors. They'll be full of all sorts of delicious ingredients so that you can make sweet and sassy popcorn or French toast popcorn. So in your little bags, you will find the following ingredients. There's a little bag of red powder. This is a mixture of paprika and cayenne. It is more paprika than cayenne, but there's a significant amount of cayenne in here, so be careful. This is cinnamon, always good to make things nice and sweet. You should have 2 packages of sugar and some honey in there. The honey you may need to just soften with your hands as needed. And then the all-important popcorn. What you want to do is pop your popcorn following the directions on the back in the kitchen and the microwave, following all the proper safety protocols, one person in the kitchen at a time. And then we will take our popped popcorn and make some toppings. Okay, so now we're going to take our popcorn and put it in a bowl, hopefully one that's wide enough. And we're just going to sprinkle. If you want it really spicy, then you want to sprinkle lots. A little bit of spicy, that's lots. We're going to do a little that's big spoons, whatever mixing thingies you have. We take honey, and this is where we get the sweet part. And we're going to mix it. Right. And now you have sweet and sassy popcorn. Okay. So now for sweeter popcorn, we can take our popcorn and put it in our bowl. And then we're going to take sugar. Put it up. And yes, if you do this when it's hot, it'll stick better. You have your mixing utensils. Mix it all up. So a little bit more sugar on there. And then we're going to take a little brown package. Which should open up nice and easily. A nice resealable container. And we're just going to gently it up. And just another little light dusting of everything on top. It's all ready to be enjoyed. It's always important to taste as you go. Ooh, that's quite nice. And that's it. That's how you make toppings for your popcorn.